What is up, guys? This is Keith again with CyberNew. Today we're going to go over how to quickly install Homebrew for macOS. It's the Mac flavored package manager. First thing we're going to do is open up a browser, https brew.sh, or you can simply Google for brew or Homebrew. And as you can see here, there's this beautiful little curl command here. We're going to do exactly what it says. You're going to paste that into a terminal prompt. And if you are using an older version of OS X 10.8, Mountain Lion and below, please do click that link. We're going to slap this in a terminal. And basically what this does is incite a Ruby script to pull the latest Git version of Homebrew. And it actually tells you exactly what it's doing as the script unfolds. So we're going to hit enter, put our admin credentials in here. And just to note, the default location is user bin local, I believe. And if you do want to really dissect this script, you can simply enter https raw githubusercontent.com and the extension of Homebrew install and see exactly what's going on there. So we're going to let it do its thing. There you go. It's cloning into user local. I'm sorry, I did misspeak there. Not user bin local, just user local. And you can change this, but it requires a manual input through tarring and untarring the file wherever you want. And again, you can pull that from their GitHub. And all that information is available via the brew.sh site. All right, we're checking out these files from the Git branch, and bam, we are already done. All right, that was a quick tutorial on how to install Homebrew. Stay tuned. We will be giving out some basic tips in the next video. As always, thanks for watching.